Ethiopia is the mother of African independence. Ethiopia, as the only uncolonized nation,
Ethiopia celebrates the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam. Today, the great river Abbay, which has flowed for thousands of years, carries more than water. It carries hope, unity, and the dreams of many generations. Ethiopia has risen, and the whole world is watching. The Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam is no longer just a dream. It is now a reality. What started as an idea in 2011 has become the biggest hydroelectric project in Africa. Built on the mighty Abbay, the GERD shows the strength, sacrifice, and pride of the Ethiopian people. For many years, people from all over Ethiopia have gave what they could: farmers, workers, students, mothers, fathers, and children. Every coin, every effort, and every prayer helped build this dam. It is not just concrete and steel. It is the heartbeat of the nation. The GERD will bring light to millions of homes, power to factories, and growth to the country's economy. It is a project for Ethiopia, for Africa, and for the future. Today, Ethiopians celebrate not only the finishing of a dam, but also the rise of a nation. Abbay has been guided not to divide people, but to unite them. The GERD is Ethiopia's gift to its people and to future generations. Ethiopians are called to protect it, honor it, and use its power to build a brighter tomorrow. The Renaissance has begun. The Abbay, also called the Blue Nile, begins in Lake Tana in northern Ethiopia and flows across countries until it joins the Nile. For thousands of years, it has been part of Ethiopia's history, songs, and stories. Now, this river is giving not only water but also electricity and power for the future. The dam is expected to produce more than 5,000 megawatts of electricity. This means millions of homes will no longer live in darkness. Families will have light at night. Schools will have power for students to learn. Hospitals will have electricity to save lives. Factories will grow, and jobs will be created. Ethiopia will also share energy with neighboring countries, helping all of Africa move forward together. This dam is more than an engineering project, it is a symbol of unity. It shows what Ethiopians can achieve when they stand together with one heart and one goal. It also teaches the world that Ethiopia is strong, independent, and ready to shape its own future.